So I've been wanting to redo my kitchen and get rid of this table by my window and replace it with something else. And I decided to film because I know a YouTube short can be 3 minutes long, and if I film at 3 times speed, that's 9 minutes of cleaning, and I wanted to show myself how much I can actually do in 9 minutes, what I've been putting off for a long time. So I'm just starting by clearing everything off of the table. And that's what my kitchen table looked like after that first little burst of cleaning. And now I am taking everything off the bottom part of the table. And I'm excited to have less surface space, so I have less space for things that I don't need and are necessities. So that's where we were after that. And so now I need to take everything out from underneath of the table. But first I figured, let me empty these drawers. This drawer was pretty much just tablecloths, and my grandparents lived in this apartment before I did. So this drawer was mostly stuff that I didn't know was there, and things that are just kind of shoved into it that haven't cleaned out this whole entire time. So it's about time. So that's where we were at. That bin was a bunch of rocks from when I had in a fish tank, and I didn't want to get rid of them because I'm going to have another fish tank with fish soon. And so moved the table off camera because I didn't really know what I was going to end up doing with it or putting it. I cleaned up everything that was on the windowsill and underneath it, threw it back on the table for then, and swept everything out from underneath it and got all that stuff off the windowsill. Because that table, I don't think, has been moved. And so what I'm going to put there instead is this bar top that I have. I used to have all my liquor on it, but since I don't drink anymore, this has just kind of been sitting there, and I want it to be a coffee station. So I figured the next step would be to clear everything off of this so I can move that over to start putting things back where it would belong. So making a mess, just cleaning everything, just throwing it wherever, and this is what I can do in 9 minutes, and now realizing that I have to keep